Okay, I'll take you to him.
那现在就带我们去见村长。
高兴，观察一下周围。
好。
Uncle, they are here.
Chief, my name is Okocha, from the Ministry of Health Department. Planto is a villager from Nuka. He was infected and died. So we are here to see if there is anyone that's infected in your village.
No one.
他说没有。
No, no one.
村长先生，我们这次确定的这个病是黄热病。
Sir, we have confirmed that the disease is yellow fever.
我们有很有效的治疗方法，
We have found very effective treatment.
只要让你的村民得到及时有效的治疗，他们会很快康复过来。
If the sick villagers get the treatment on time, they will recover soon.
Why are you telling me all this? I said I don't know anything.
他说为什么跟他说这些？他什么都不知道。他让我们走。
Trevor, send our guests off.
Okay, please, it's time for you to go.
团长，孙越，有情况。我刚才亲眼看到有人被抓走了，这里的事儿没那么简单。
我知道了，再去别墅看看。
好。
村长，我们进村子发现很多房间是空的，这些人都去哪儿了？
Sir, we saw a lot of houses are empty. Where did the villagers go?
You think my uncle should know where everyone is just because he's the chief? It's their personal life.
他说他们的村民没有必要跟他汇报去哪儿，他们不知道。
我问你，是不是很多人感染了疾病？
A lot of people are sick here, right?
No.
他说没有。
他们只是感染了传染病，只要能够及时的治疗，他们很快会康复的。同时，我们要找到传染源，进行消杀、隔离。当然，这一切都要得到你们的协助，这个病才会好起来。
If we treat them on time, they will recover soon. We need to find the source of infection and isolate it. Please, sir, we need your help.
据我观察，您是不是感染了疾病？
Sir, I guess you're infected too, right?
这些感染者，如果得不到及时的治疗，他们会传染更多的人，他们会威胁到自己的生命。
Their life will be in danger.
我知道，你们现在做的这一切都是出于无奈。
We know you must have got your reasons.
能不能给你一个机会，也给我们一个机会？
Give us a chance, and give everyone a chance.
你的决定至关重要，决定着他们的生命和健康，甚至你国家的疫情。
Their health, their life, and the situation of the epidemic is lie in your hands. Your decision is very important.
You are right. I'm cursed too. I asked Trevor to put all the sick villagers in one place
他让特拉法把所有的患者关到了一个地方去，
from getting
这
sick.
样为了避
My
免让
uncle
他
is
被染上。
confused. He's very tired. He's lying.
他说是迷糊。
Stop hiding. There's nothing we can hide from them.
他让特拉法不要再隐瞒。
And I don't want to die.
他说他觉得自己马上就要死，他不希望带着愧疚、遗憾离开。
Listen to them and bring us if Chinese Navy can cure this monstrous disease. Please.
希望你能帮助他们度过这个疫情。他希望特拉法帮助
Chief,
你。
please, tell us, where are the villagers?
No, uncle.
They are at court yard behind the mountains.
患者在后山的院子里。
Trevor, listen to them.
You okay? You need help? You
这
okay?
这个，
他是啊，
把活着的人抬出去。
踢脚，把这两个抬带走。
My husband has already been sent my son.
We'll take you to a safer place for treatment. Trust me. We'll keep you and your child safe. Okay?
Thank you.
兰兰，哎，快来帮我！
Stand up. Okay.
孙越，哎，刚才巡查了2遍，没有遗漏的生存者，活着的病人呢都已经上车了，
抓紧时间送往野外临时医院。
好，没问题。
那其他人怎么办？
路太窄，大车现在进不来。
大家辛苦了，
宇哥，
往外背吧，车已经装满了。
好，照顾好所有人的安全，人齐了就开车。
孙院长传回了讯息，说有2车病患现在正在赶回我们临时医院，其中有孩子、老人，还有孕妇，因为他们在病发的时候没有得到很好的治理，所以现在状况都很严重，所以这个任务是很艰巨的，希望你们马上做好接收病患的准备。
好，
翻译给他听。
We just heard from Dr. Sun. There are 2 cars of people coming to our temporary hospital. Most of them are kids, elderly, and a pregnant woman. They were not treated in time, so they are having severe symptoms right now. We need to be ready.
张医生，患者都是当地人，我们在沟通上会有一些困难，我们需要艾文医生的帮助。
OK。
Most of the patients are from the village, so we might have difficulties talking to them. We need Dr. Evans' help.
Thank you.
给我们大家准备吧。
好。
Go, go, go! Move! OK, OK. Stop here. 担架，担架，快点！慢一点，慢一点 ，slow。
慢点，慢点。
行，坐好了啊。好，来，走。
小心，小心，让一下。车长，来让一下。慢一点。担架。慢点，慢点，慢点。OK。哎，
慢一点，慢一点。
往上一点，往上一点。对，好。
好，这边，这边。走。
来，慢点，慢点。
第二个，第二个。
担架，担架。快。哎，来。
慢点，慢点。
走，来。
孙院长，这儿的井水、河水还有蚊子都已经做好采样了。
带着样本马上回医院。
是。
Dr. Sun, you already comforted all the villagers and notified them about the pathogenic testing tomorrow.
他们已经安抚好了村民，也通知了明天会做病人学检测的事情。
辛苦你们了。
Thank you so much.
So how long are you gonna take till the results come out?
检测结果要多久才能出？
尽快。
We'll get the result as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you. I'll take you out.
Think slowly. You will get better.
查德情况出来了，情况非常严重，双肺感染，马上转到重症监护病房，立刻。是。小心。
Oh no! I want to stay with brother.
Okay. Honey, it's fine. 加油，阿奇霉素350毫升，每日禁滴1次。
好的。
Honey, the condition of your brother is different. We have to treat you 2 separately, okay?
Okay.
Good girl. Oh, Oh, a rabbit.
Ow. Okay. Woo.
But Chado was so fit. He's never sick. Does it mean you are all going to die if you are infected?
Okay, relax. Don't worry, okay? We come here just to help you. Okay? Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Chacha and Chado are orphans already. And that's bad enough already. If anything happens to Chado, then what's Chacha gonna do?
We will do all the best.
We did a good job. Now we controlled the disease. So it's hard work, right? Yeah, we did it. We did it. And thanks to your help. We are very grateful for your help. Thank you.
卫生，饭到了，叫大伙儿先吃饭吧。
啊，好嘞。Lunch is here. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
So this is the Chinese medicine. We boil it and then drink it after.
老头，
啊，
这些呢是清热解毒、凉血化瘀类的药剂，中西药结合治疗呢，疗效会更快一些。
So these medicines can detoxify, replenish and refresh the blood and energy. It's very effective.
另外，我们野外临时医院的驱蚊消杀，也可以结合中药的熏蒸的方式。
And we can also use them as mosquito repellents for this hospital.
People of Nuka, please listen to me. There are a lot of people getting sick in our village. And it is not a curse. It never was. With the help of Chinese Navy, we have found the source. The problem is in our water and flies. They are carrying the virus. That's why people are still getting sick after the chiefs have isolated the sick people. But still, you have to pay attention, please. Because it is not scary to be infected. What is scary is to delay the treatment. So now, these Chinese doctors are going to do a virus test at all of us. Please be organized and cooperate
现
with
在我
them.
们提供抽
Thank
血的
you.
检验，希望他们能合作。
We don't want blood tests. We find an issue here.
他们不愿意做血液检查，他们说他们健康。
哎，看住他们！快上去跟他们说，都有潜伏期，现在没有症状不一定没被感染，快！
Excuse me, guys. Please pay attention, please. Guys, excuse me. There's an incubation period. There's no symptoms. Doesn't mean you are not infected.
他们家里有老人、有孩子，还有孕妇，免疫力低下的人很容易被感染。为了他们的健康，也要做检测。
Plus, there's elders, children in every family. You should cooperate for everyone's health, right? Please cooperate with us, guys. Please. Draw my blood first.
All right.
This way, please.
Listen to her. Hey, stand in a line. Follow me. Come here, come here.
Everyone line up, please.
Stand in line.
Thank you so much. Please line up.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Are you guys from China?
Yes.
Oh, do you have the medicine like this medicine which they use, like when you're itching? My body's itching.
You mean this?
Yeah, sure. This.
Here you go.
Oh, you Chinese Navy are so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
院长，清凉油可以驱蚊止痒，现在正好派上用场。
我们带来多少
2箱。
去拿。
好。
特法，特法，特法。
小分队，你们那边进展情况如何？
报告孙院长，消杀工作已经过半，我们现在正在全力进行。
非常好。Excuse me， 要仔细，不要放过任何的角落。
小分队明白。
孙院长，家里没有人，村子里没见着踪影。奥克查说他会封锁出村的路，估计他走不了多远。
Please save my husband. Please help me. Please
谁知道
save my husband. Please save my husband. Save my
请他冷
husband,
静。
please.
Please calm down, ma'am.
Save my husband.
Calm down.
到底发生了什么？
What's going on?
Trafa has been avoiding me intentionally since day before yesterday.
从前天开始，
He
看到
asked me
法
to
政
stay
人避
away
开
from
他，
him. I was worried. I came
她
back
很
to
担
see
心她
him.
丈夫。
He was coughing and having
回家
diarrhea.
看到他一直在咳嗽，还有腹泻的情况。
After knowing about the test she started to offer, he told me
知道我们要做检测之后，
he refused to go out.
他
I
就闭
knew
门
we
不出了
couldn't。escape.
他可能知道我们要再找他，
Save him.
他希望我们救救他。
Save my husband.
他为什么那么害怕呀？他知道自己得病了，应该来检测呀。
Why is he scared? Shouldn't he come to us if he know he's sick?
He locked the villagers up. He was scared they would take revenge on him.
他把患病的村民都关起来了，所以他害怕被报复。
放心，特拉法做错了事情，但是我们是医生，我们不会坐视不管的。我们这就去你家里。
I told you to go away. Why did you bring them here?
You are sick. You need a doctor. I don't want you to get killed by the demons.
他妻子认为他应该
Just
跟我们
let
走，
me die
不需要
alone.
医生。
I don't want their help.
他说让他自生自灭，不要管他。
不管你愿不愿意配合治疗，但是我们绝不会放弃任何一个被感染的病人。
We won't leave any single patients here, even you don't want to come.
But my wife. If I leave her alone, she will get bullied. And if I go to the hospital,
他说如果他走了，其他村民
they
会
will
报复
get
他的妻
revenge
子
on me.
如果他跟我们去了医院，村民也会报复他。
如果你这么爱你的妻子，那你就更应该积极的去治疗了。
If
否
you
则的话
really love，
你
your
走
wife,
了，
you should
就
get
真
the
的剩他
treatment.
一个人生活了。
You don't want her to live alone after you're gone.
良心的谴责，慢慢偿还，好吗？
After that, you can pay your debt.
哈瑞亚的抗体检查结果出来了，黄热病 IgM 抗体阳性。她现在身体十分的虚弱，又怀着孩子，所以我们的用药十分的谨慎。如果不能正确用药的话，极有可能导致大人和孩子都保不住。所以我们需要出一个方案，先给哈瑞亚治病。
Doctor, calm down. Calm down. Just wait for months. 他情绪激动，需要见医生。Please, doctor, please save my child first.
Listen to me. You are weak. You need to get the treatment. Only if you are healthy, your baby can be saved. Okay?
No, I'm sick. My child will die in my body. Please, please save my child. I can exchange my life. Just take him out of my body.
Calm down. There's no way we can operate on you with your current condition.
And then what about my baby?
I will try to keep your baby alive. Okay?
Now my husband died already. I'm fighting to live in this dead body. Please, I need to give him a chance to live. I can die for him. If you don't want to do operation, I will just leave.
You're weak. And you can't go anywhere.
No.
Just stay here and listen to us. We will try our best to keep you safe.
No, miss, you promised me to let give birth to this baby by operation.
We will make a plan.
陆阳
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Look, Take care of your baby.
Thank you.
据我观察，哈瑞亚的这个病情跟我们之前接收的几例黄热病病毒是有些不同的。即便在整个过程中，大家都会出现发热、肌无力、黄疸和出血这样的症状，但是哈瑞亚的这个出血量并不高，并且我们在他的身体上也已经看到这个大量的这个斑丘疹。
啊，那你现在直接说重点吧，为什么？
还有一种病毒，寨卡病毒。寨卡病毒和黄热病毒同属于黄病毒科。它的症状主要体现为斑丘疹，更严重的会有一些神经系统的症状，比如说格林巴利综合征。所以我现在严重怀疑哈瑞亚是寨卡病毒的感染者。当然了，寨卡病毒也是有一定的概率通过母婴进行传播。胎儿一旦受到影响的话，首先神经系统会受损，会出现小头症，死亡率达到1%。所以，如果我们确定是寨卡病毒的话，就要尽快的做剖宫产手术。剖宫产手术做得越早，感染的几率就越低。患者现在已经出现肝功能下降、血小板下降的情况。我怀疑哈瑞亚现在已经出现了凝血功能障碍。什么意思呢？如果这个时候选择做剖宫产手术的话，这个患者很有可能就出现产后大出血，他这个人就有可能下不了手术台。所以综合评估剖宫产的风险，我认为我拒绝让我的患者冒这个险。
可是我们核酸检测一直出来，哈瑞亚的确得的就是黄热病。
我解释一下啊，寨卡病毒跟黄热病毒确实是属于同一种种属的，它们两者的抗体有较强的一个交叉的反应。那我觉得为了确定到底哈瑞亚是否就是感染了寨卡病毒，我们先不要做定论。我们已经把它的样本送回了和平方舟做 PCR 的检测，我们等一下最后的结果，我们再做最后的决定，行吗？
So you're not actually sure if she has yellow fever, correct?
Not yet.
我认为在检查结果出来之前，我们没必要在这里讨论。但是现在患者已经等不了了。寨卡病毒之前在这里爆发过的，哈瑞亚的丈夫也是因为这件事情去世的，所以哈瑞亚得了这个病一点都不稀奇。如果你们仔细看一下你们手上的这个报告单，你们就会发现，哈瑞亚的脑脊液已经出现了蛋白细胞分离的现象。黄热病是不会出现这样的症状。
那现在这个小宝宝很危险，因为他的母亲指定要保住他的孩子。
是。好，那现在我们假设他就是寨卡，我问你，你们能不能不要忘了，即使胎儿有感染病毒的风险，现在哈瑞亚是什么情况？她孕34周，她属于早产，以她现在的母体条件这么差，我并不认为剖宫产是对这对母子最好的选择。医生，我们现在不是说假设不假设，如果一旦我们不做手术的话，母体现在已经很危险了，而且产后我们对母体也可以做更好的药物治疗，不管是对大人好还是对小孩好，手术都是最好的一个选择。我是妇产科医生，他是我的病患，我现在不需要别人教我怎么做，而且现在结果没有出来，我的表态已经很明确了。
医生，
医生，张医生，你什么看法？
罗医生，我首先认为齐医生是很好的妇产科医生，所以你提的意见包括可能性，需要他有点时间去消化。
我说的还不够清楚吗？病人不能等了。
张医生，精神科 PCR 结果出来了，是寨卡病毒。It's the Zika virus.
是寨卡病毒，我先去找齐医生。我跟齐医生说会儿话。
好的，张医生。
好，谢谢。结果出来了，哈瑞亚感染的是萨卡病毒。但是我认同你的观点啊，你说哈瑞亚的身体条件太差，确实做这类的手术是有危险性的，我认同。
张医生，你总算说了一句公道话。
我也会跟麻醉医生做一个沟通，让他也参与评估一下这台手术的风险。但是我个人认为啊，这台剖腹产的手术真的需要一位技术跟经验都极好的医生来完成，所以我认为是非你不可的。
这就是你们商量好的决定吗？
没有任何人做任何决定， 但是我建议你不要因为陆医生而拒绝这台手术。和平方舟上的每一位医生是大集体里面的一员，是团结的，查缺补漏的，并且我们共同秉承着一个理念，就是病患的安危是第一位的。我相信你也是，好吗？
好。
聪哥，哎，那我给里面患者送饭去了。
哎，回去。
哎，
哎，齐医生。
哎，你好。
才忙完。辛苦了，辛苦了。
谢谢。
暖，过来一块吃吧。
啊，不了，还有个病历要写。
哦。金暖，
这样，
跟陆阳还别扭着呢？
没有啊。
还说没有，都挂脸上了。这医生之间有争执很正常，大家都有自己的判断，出发点也都是为了患者好呀。你们在网上争论争论也就完了，回到家了何必伤和气呢？是不是？
姐，陆阳他就是想出风头。今天检测结果还没出来呢，他就在塔桑达医生的面前滔滔不绝的。是，他蒙对了，检测结果证明了他的观点，他得意了。他说的没错，好像就是我目光短浅，耽误了我的患者。但是你要知道，海瑞亚是我的患者，我比谁都更希望他好。齐暖不是个怕冒险的人，姐，我做过多少台危险的手术，我也是给大白立下过功劳的人啊。我心里是有数的，但后来我也能想明白。孙院长不是说那几篇新闻通稿报道了我那几台手术吗？受到了上级的表彰和荣誉。我后来想，是不是就这事儿打压了他的风头？但是他也不能这么对我哦，只允许他风华正茂，他奋发有为，我们这些人就该原地踏步，是吗？
不是，陆阳他绝对不是这样的人，我对他还是挺了解的。他就是性子急，有时候说话欠考虑。
他欠考虑，他今天跟我那儿慷慨激昂的。就他懂得多，就他想得周到。姐，我也是在治病救人，难道我做的事就十恶不赦了吗？
哎呦，行了，多大点事儿，不至于啊。这样啊，俩人把话都说开了。
我不跟他聊，他还觉得委屈了是吗？我还觉得委屈呢。我帮他，我不图他谢我。如果发现问题了，你不让我说出来，我也做不到啊。江姐，这事我对事不对人，就算是老师有问题，我也会跟他说的。大家不就是话赶话赶到那儿了吗？都是讨论工作上面的事情。如果他连这个都理解不了的话，我不想解释。
是陆阳，这事儿你做的一点没错，你的判断也非常的准确。但毕竟妇产科那是人家齐暖的专业，也是他负责的患者。
今天当着那么多人的面去质疑他，
你换了谁脸上也挂不住啊。
是，我是让他下不来台面了，但我能怎么着呢？哄着他说。
你看看你，这就是你不成熟的地方了吧？我的意思是，你以后要是再遇到这样的问题，你可以换一种方式去解决啊。咱们都在船上工作，抬头不见低头见的，你俩要一直这么僵持着，那不是给你老师孙院长添麻烦吗？有什么话说不开的，是不是？再好好琢磨琢磨。
再说吧。
陆医生，这个是哈瑞亚的用药记录。
齐医生看了吗？
齐医生看过了，他说就是怕他出纰漏，所以让你再检查一下。
好，谢谢啊。
是。The result is on.
positive for yellow fever. I will change your medicine in 2 hours. Just have a good sim now. If anything happens, call me, okay?
Miss,
Hmm?
can I change to another ward?
All the wards are the same. The patients are transferred from Nuka village. You're close to them.
What?
To what?
Never mind. Nothing.
We won't kick you out or bully you. We won't repeat the things you did wrong.
I do not like you, but you're sick already. So I'll take this as a punishment by God. Since you're already here, do your best to recover. Don't you blame me?
You are not the one that got us infected. You just did the wrong thing because you were scared.
I'm so sorry. Save your sentence until you recover. And go apologize to the villagers who died in the courtyard. Can I make up for it?
Wow. This is not the brutal Trafford that we know.
All right. Stop the sarcasm. But you should be really more brutal when you face death. Death does not give you a second chance.
Okay, good girl. Okay, sleep. Okay.
So if you need any help, just let me know. 童阳，看他干嘛呢？
茶茶，我刚才给你的药吃了吗？
Cha-cha, did you take your pills? Yes, I did.
小孩子说谎，鼻子会长长的哟。
If you lie, you're gonna have a long, long nose, like Pinocchio. 哦，可以告诉我你为什么不吃药吗？ Can you tell me why? Because I want to see my brother. The doctor said he's very, very sick, and he's in another room, and I can't go there.
所以你不吃药是想自己的病更重一些，好能去见哥哥？
So you want to get sicker, and then you can't go and see your brother?
茶茶真乖，你哥哥正在接受治疗，慢慢好转，很快他就能回来跟你在一起了。
Cha-cha, your brother is getting better, and then you're gonna see him really soon.
但是如果你不吃药的话，你的病会变得更重。哥哥回来的时候，你可能要走了，你们还是不能在一块儿。
If you don't eat your pills, maybe when your brother is coming back, and then you are in another room.
茶茶。 Okay, good girl. Okay. 你哥哥叫什么名字啊
？What's your brother's name? Shadow. His name is Shadow. Big eyes, long hair, and he's very handsome.
这样好不好？你答应我好好吃药，我就替你去看看你哥哥。
Cha-cha, if you take your pills on time, and she will go and see your handsome brother for you. Okay? Okay. Promise? Promise.
Go to sleep. Good night. Good night. 药都发完了，什么声音？Hey, stop! Hey, hey, come back! Come back! Stop!
Let me go! Let me go! I want my mom! I want to go home! I want to see my mom! Please, let me go!
你现在正在接受治疗，等病好了，我们自然会送你回去。
Right now, if you're getting better, we'll send you home as soon as possible.
I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. I'm go home. Please let me go. I want to see my mom.
比你严重的病人有很多，他们都在积极的配合治疗，因为他们不想死。
But they're very positive because they don't want to die.
你妈妈希望你好起来，健健康康的回去，而不是现在这样逃出去，死在她面前。
Your mom wants you as a healthy person, not a dead body.
I'm scared. I don't want to die. I want to go home. I want to see my mom.
OK. 别害怕，我们都在你身边，我们没有放弃任何一个病人。难道你要放生自己吗
And you're gonna give up on yourself?
跟我回病房好吗？我们会照顾好你，不要让妈妈再担心了，好吗
We'll take care of you. Don't let your mom be worried, okay?
Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Let's go back.